my name is Ksenia Koroleva, and today we are going to talk about the collocation with time. So we are going to discuss expressions which contains the word time within them and what they may mean. These expressions are very widely spread and often used, and you can use them on a day-to-day basis if you practice your English. So let's start. The first phrase would be to find time for. Find time or find the time for. Actually, this expression is pretty clear, right? We need to have some time to do something we find time for. Very often students forget to find time for their homework. Next phrase is give someone time. Give time. Give someone time. It means that we allow some time to do something. Give someone time. The teacher gave the students enough time to complete the test. Next expression is pretty interesting. It's to kill time. This expression means that you actually don't need this time. You do not use it with some purpose. You do not use it with some useful activity during this time. You just need to wait for something. You are just spending your time not in a very good way. Yes, for example, you came to the meeting too early and you need to kill time waiting for somebody to come. So the example can be, he came to the meeting too early, so he had to kill time by drinking coffee. This expression is closely connected with two other expressions, spend time and waste time. We say spend time when it is something more or less, when you do something more or less useful. So you planned to do this activity, so you spend time doing it. I was preparing to the report, so I spent 3 hours at the library. If this is not some useful activity, we would say waste time. So I usually waste time stuck in traffic. Next expression is to run out of time. Run out of time means that the time has come up, so the time is up. Time has been spent, has been used. Actually, another expression can be time is up. Time is up, like time is finished. But we run out of time means that the time has finished. An example, whenever I do the test, I always run out of time before I finish all the tasks. Speaking of wasting time, we can waste time doing something that we did not plan to do, and another expression is when we can waste somebody's time. We can waste somebody's time by making them wait for us, or by making them do something they didn't expect doing, right? You are wasting my time, making me explain you for the third time the same rule, for example. Another expression is take your time. Take one's time. It means to be not in a hurry, to do everything thoroughly, with a lot of thought, etc. So take your time, there is no hurry. Usually the teacher may say that take your time reading your task before starting answering the questions, for example. So take your time before you start your test. Take your time reading the assignment before you start doing your test. If you want to train these expressions, you will be sent to Instagram, where you can do this exercise in the form of test and check your knowledge of the expressions connected with time. Please stay with us and we shall tell you a lot of interesting facts about language. Join us and enjoy!